Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome to this channel, and today we want to talk about colors. Nyinga and Agina. My name is Agina. Now I would like to show you the different colors, and in Luo I would say Kawono wadwa puonjore rangi mopogore. Today we want to talk about different colors. Let's start. Wachaki. Yellow is Ratong. Green is Ralum. Blue, Ratiglo. Black, Rateng. White, Rachar. Let me just go through over again. Ratong, Ralum, Ratiglo, Rateng, Rachar. Let me just do a few slides here. Let's see, this is yellow, that is Ratong. Do you remember Ratong? Ralum, Ratiglo, Rateng, and Rachar. Ratong, Ralum, Ratiglo, Rateng. Rateng is black. Rachar. Rakwar. Rakwar is white. Let me just go Rakwar, Rachar, Rateng, Ratiglo, Ralum, Ratong. See if you can mention all these that are on your screen right now. There is yellow, which is green, which is blue, is black, red, and white. Good. So Ratong, Ralum, Ratiglo, Rateng, Rachar, Rakwar. The good thing is that most of them start with the letters R and A, that is Ra. So at least you know one part. You'll say, oh, it starts with the Ra, Rakwar. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe.